Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this morning Mark and I popped to Dunelm because I was sick of not having any bedside tables in our bedroom. So we went there just to see if we could find anything, and we actually bought quite a few bits. So I thought I would film like the transformation, because you know I love a little mini transformation video. So if you want to see what the bedroom looks like after, then just keep watching. So excuse the bed because it was like messily made this morning, and then I think Vinny jumped on it. But yeah, this is obviously what it looks like now. We've got no bedside tables, and it's just like this. So let's go get all the bits. So we're going to need to move the bed, I would think, because we've got loads of room on this side and not much room on my side. But I'm thinking, you know, we've got some mirrors that we're going to put up on the wall as well.
Handy, handy.
So we need the bed to be where it's going to be, don't we, babe? Otherwise, that's like crucial, isn't it?
Yeah.
But then we need enough space down here, because if we have another baby...
Hey? I feel like it's wonky. Like,
it's probably the mattress. Might be the mattress is wonky. But yeah, if we have another baby, then obviously we'll need to get like a snooze pod or something down the side. So I need enough space for that. And we don't want to have to move the bed after.
Also, it'd be better because the light will be in the middle more.
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
God.
you look like a seal.
God, I can't do it.
How's it going down there?
Oh my God, it's really heavy.
You literally look like a little baby seal doing that.
Christ.
Yeah, I think you need to stand up.
It's bloody full of bedding, isn't it?
Yeah, stuff inside,
oh
yeah.
My God. Oh, that's it.
Oh, well done.
Christ.
Right, so it's moved over a little bit. I don't think we need any more space. What?
We'll get the plugs.
Well, can you not move the plugs?
No.
Why?
Come
on, babe, you're an electrician.
Pull this out. Keep it straight, can't we? And then we can push it back.
Good luck pulling that out.
Wow, it's got to be done. Thank you.
Right, so shall I show you what we got? So we got these two lamps, which I thought will look quite nice. Obviously we've got all the packaging on them, but I thought they were like, I'm going for that kind of hotel kind of look, and they've obviously got some bulbs to go with them. This is also from Dunelm, for anyone wondering, because I get lots of questions about this tray.
No, true.
I also picked up these kind of like long mirrors, and I'm going to put them behind the lamps. I'm not sure how it's going to look yet. They had them in gold, or they've got this kind of like antique-y silver, which I really love. So hopefully they'll look nice. And then I've got some other bits that I'm going to put on top of the bedside tables, but I'll show you that when they're all like put together. I love the lampshades. I think they look well smart. Really pretty. We tried some bigger lamps on the bedside tables, but they just look too big. So I'm thinking these look much nicer, so we'll have to see what they look like in a minute. Guys, I'm so annoyed. The bedside tables are two different colours. We got one of the ones that was like a display one, and the other one was in a box. They didn't have any other ones. So we got that, but it looks cream. And the other one looks like white, but with like a... Oh, that is so annoying. So that's one of them. And then the other one on the other side's got like a different top. How irritating is that? Look, you can see how this one is like cream more so, and that one is a white. Oh, that is so irritating, isn't it? I'm gonna have to change it. But they didn't have any in stock, so we're gonna have to wait for them to be delivered. No, she said they didn't have any more. Right, so Mark rang me from Dunelm saying that they didn't actually do two colours of that bedside table, so I'm really confused. I don't know what's happened, but he's just got back now.
Yo!
Right, babe. What happened? You found one!
I can't believe it.
How did that happen?
Oh my God, what faff.
Guys, this has been such a faff. Right.
Been there for an hour.
Right. Can you explain what happened? I've explained it on Instagram, I haven't explained it on the video, which is probably the most important part.
Apparently they've like changed people who make these, so they're different colour now.
Oh my God.
But they still had that one on the shop.
Oh my God.
And they only keep one because of the storage. So you see that one, but the one that now makes ivory. But I was standing there for the whole time, and this like manager comes over. She goes, I'll just check it over the other side, because apparently they got them over the other side by the beds or something. And there's one over there.
Oh,
can you believe it?
Oh my God, well done.
30% off.
Well done, you did it. Look at the difference. So that's like the one we wanted to keep, and that one is darker, and the top is really dark. And they said that they only did it in like this one colour.
Yeah.
Oh yes, I'm so happy.
Can't believe that.
Oh my God, I thought my dreams were over then. I literally was like on the phone to Mark, I was like, but on the website it's exactly the same colour as the one we wanted. And they were like, no, that is the colour you're going to get it in now. I was so like, oh my God, so happy. Oh, I was really like what I was saying on Instagram. I was like, what is going on? I wasn't getting the hump, honestly. And he got the lamp as well.
I went up to get the lamp and like 2 of the other lamps are broke as well.
Oh, really?
So it was like the last one.
Everything's broken in that shop, but I do really love Dunelm, so...
They get 30% off on that now because of that.
Oh, did they?
30%, yeah.
30% off? Yes. Oh my god, that's really good.
Yeah. It was worth it then.
It was all worth it. Worth the trip.
About an hour.
You were.
I don't mind.
Oh, thank you. Oh, wicked. Okay, cool. Let's put it all together then. We'll show you what it looks like in a minute. Right, guys, so this is what it's looking like at the moment. Mark's just putting up the mirror. Aren't you, babe? Because we've got 2 mirrors going here. So far, so good. Right, guys, so this is our new setup. What do you think? I think it looks really pretty, don't you, babe?
Come together, isn't it?
It's really come together.
60-minute makeover in this house, isn't it?
Yeah, it looks really nice. We changed the bed as well, so it all matched and looks nice and pretty. Really like it. Look at the mirrors. If I come up close.
Yeah, right, bargain. Hello.
So those are the mirrors. And then you've got the nice lamps. And then you've got like a little tea light holder there. And I'm going to put a picture in this frame, and then those flowers are at the back are from, I think they're from the range maybe. And this is the bedside table, so it's got that kind of shabby chic look, and I really like that it's not like white on the top because it's not going to show any dust. Not that we like dust, but you know. This is the bed, and I'll show you the other side. I still need to get some like flowers for this side, but these ones will do for now. Here, my little peonies. So we've got the same like tea light holder there, same lamp, and the same bedside table. And these are from, oh, this is all from Dunelm. We bought this from Dunelm today. This mirror is a right bargain. That was only £12.99. How good is that? They also had it in gold if you like gold. It's that kind of like antique-y silver, isn't it? So yeah, that is our mini bedroom transformation. I hope you enjoyed this video. I can't wait to show you it when it's completely finished. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And we'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys.